Yeah, good morning to everybody. This is Yado Talk Show. The Kokobiri Master. This message, I'm first of all passing it. This message, I want to give Ojon Lovett because I don't call her. I want to give her a sound message. You know, say, I the advice person, make it fair take before I blast her. And this message now they sent to Ojon Lovett. Ojon Lovett, I don't give her good respect now. But when she don't mind and respect herself with my message now, then I'll mess her up. May forget that time. Me, I be one kind of boy they keep everybody thing. I will mess her up. This message directly to her. I like person when you are calling a spade a spade. I like person not the false ground they put for people head. I like person when they talk truth. I like people who claim to be whatever you are not. That is why I, the Kokobiri Master, husband to all single mother, if I'm hard, because I don't call the, they call the girl or your lover Edokpolo. Let me reduce my music first, because why they bring out this message out now directly. And they bring this message directly. If you know you be a fan, so you be at this thing, send this message to her, because I they call her directly before. I they call her both all her number, because I get all her number. Me Kokobiri my get her number. So I call her, he give one to his daughter, I want one her for one thing. You know why? I made not say Kokobiri Master don't start. Before Kokobiri Master I go start again. On the level to be careful before I publish you out. Be careful before I publish you out now. On my own deep of way. You need to be careful. I call you for something, you think you cannot pick that call. Even your private number, I get her. Then people go know why. I your nakedness, everything to do with me. I want to give you this fucking guidance message. This fucking guidance because you never respected yourself as I called you. You know one thing about me? I love people who respect themselves. I love people who take what I say because I dey call you for something, for a false allegation where you dey do for social media. You know why? And everything wey you feel say they do on that one, these are things wey me myself know say na lie. And that one wey you dey do concern that guy, I know everything about that person. Any lie, if you lie for person head and that person not be, this na person wey I know well. I know the truth, all fake allegation people wey you plan with, wey take come out for so. This is my message directly from my bunkyard, from my palace to you. But I called you Ojon Lovett, you never pick the call. But you know why I call you? Because one, I'm not supposed to call you. One, me, I'm not supposed to call you. I call you to give you first of all advice. One, because I remember I called you first of all to good morning, my beautiful sister, the African Sub Shop. So this message, I'm sending it to you live and direct for you to realize your mistake, for you to deviate from this evil way. If person will not get 7 children, I never want to talk the topic now. But now message first of all to Ojon Lovett Edokpolo. Why they give her this advice? If you don't stick to the advice, I come out in a bloody way for you. And when I come out, if you now go my vieilla again. Many things in my viola. Now my viola down vieilla. And many things. Now my viola down here. Because there are things I like to advise people. Because this period, I don't want to join any saga. I don't want to talk polite way to everybody. And they call you. You give your daughter that one phone. You quick block. You know, say I get all your number. I get all your number now. You know, say I get. You surprised say I call the that private of your number. You see, man, they give your daughter. Are you mad? When where you soko. You want time away. So I just give you this advice. You better stick to my word and obey. Because I don't like people who lie on social media. Coming out on social media, why you saying things that are not there? Fire person. Don't say things that are not there about the person. Okay, first what you talk about now, when you pull out for here now, I'll come on that one because why they send this message to you Ojon Lovett Edokpolo? Because now you, I never come for you now. I never come for you. But I call you for this advice and you no wan take. The moment you not take this advice or John Lovett Edokpolo, the moment I respect you, I call you, not take this message, me and your own. Because everything where I see set for all of this, do all my assignment for me, and I have them documented. But my advice to you now is for you, or John Lovett Edokpolo, is for you to stick to my advice and be a change from your evil ways. I just want you now, take my advice. Take my advice and waiting I tell you. As I called you, you dey pass phone, you were online, you carry the phone, give your pikin. My dear, me I fake me, why they tell you this thing? Before I'll blast you at the con. Me I copy at the con. Hold on, I bet I'll call back. So I want copy because if I blast you now, I want talk. I want copy before I know. Because maybe the person don't know say I do bad now. Me I fẹ́ call on. Me I fẹ́ call private call. So why they bring this good money to everybody? I try to bring many things. Where John Lovett bring come up of life. Where many things where bring come out of life yesterday, they talk about that woman, na lie. And when panel don't reach my table, I go first call you to advise you. Tell you John Lovett, now fake allegation you bring come out. And those fake where you bring come out, of which me I know everything. I call you to respect yourself. You not respect yourself, you not pick or you take say I be fool, you carry phone, you dey take another thing, my dear. Kokobiri Master, don't allow me to come back on this segment to disgwagwa you. Because why? When I was talking about single mother, you were fighting against because I was advising single mother and you were a single mother. And you were being vandalized even by me, by other people. Now you are saying those things. Now another person will not born for 7 men. You say bomb and they can't give you advice. You know when people me I know they like because these are person where me I know well. Will they lie for the woman? I know you not born 7 pikin. I know everything, not get 7 pikin. I know everything about the woman. Now you they lie. Why they send this message to John Lovett? John Lovett. Now me Kokobiri Master the young. And the young this thing to pass this message to you this morning. Because why? When we are dealing about women who spoil pass for Europe, you are number one. From Valencia, how you take on Europe, everything, how she for Gobotherapy, everything, and you know all these things where they pay me for you, you can't lie on somebody's head. You have all I want you to do now, or John Lovett. Come out for you now. Since I respected you, you don't take my respect. I am ready to tackle you, bomber to bomber. This respect segment 1. Because the respect I give you to call this morning, you never take the respect nor respected yourself. You pass your pikin to your pikin. You pass phone to your pikin. When are they call you? You know say you fit give everybody fake number. Me get all your real number. All the genuine, all the number where you get. You know I get all. Now I call you for the other private one. You look me, you surprised, say this boy. No, don't for call for people. If what you they talk now truth, you come out defend yourself. Come out and speak. You don't need to lie. You don't need to lie. Say person born for 7 man. And in which this guy not born for 7 man. And this woman where they talking about, now woman where I know, and I go talk everything, the reason why you fuck this girl up, the reason why you say this girl, born for 7 months, I go bring everything come out. But it's better you stick to your advice, to my advice, and obey me. I called you, you never pay. I will be coming out now in an hour's time. Now I'm coming out for you, Ojon Lovett. Watch out on this segment for you to tell you, say, remove that this thing. Remove that this thing. Remove that this thing. You not like for person head. Waiting person no be not like for head. I respected you. I don't care about what if it happen. I called you, say Ojon Lovett. I dey call you. You dey run for call. You know why they do something as an elderly man now, as a big man. I call you privately. Call you privately. Hello? Hello? Good morning, yeah. No worry, I know the girl now. The girl get 2 children.
Yes, she be my best friend. This Ojon Lovett to the lie. Because say the girl bring 80,000 naira, make she tell him.
No, never talk. I don't want make you talk. Me go talk all of them. Now my the next party where I come. I never want to talk everything. I know what I do, my sister. Fair your post. I know what I do. Okay, okay, okay. Keche. No, bye, brother Tibu, bye. Peke no. Yeah, give me. We want me. Yeah, give me. So now you tell I talk. I meet your mama now. Oh, Baba never come unless bye. No chair. You start. Bye. Well, so. Start con mama. Bye con mama. Mama cholo. No, lasha cholo. Bye. Friend the mama. So, why I bring this thing come out? I know they quarrel with anybody. I don't get quarrel with Ojon Lovett. I get advice for Ojon Lovett. I don't want make people they blackmail, they deceive people. I don't like make people they lie against what person not do. You go say it do one. Why they do all these things? And they like when you are coming out on a talk show, come out in a good way to talk. Say people know the actual way they happen. Don't lie for waiting it not happen. So this is why I come out, come respect, tell your lover, make it move, make it not lie for this girl head again. This is not your first set, I just can't give her. Now later, now I can't talk this issue. I can't give her advice. Go and meet your mother and collect it. Go and meet your mom and collect it. Go meet your mom. Go meet your mom and collect it. So, when I hear me so, meet your mom. Make even. When I hear me, so why they talk these things? So all these things where they talk. Now for me to talk now, where be say, Ojon Lovett go get sense for all the evil way they do. Because I don't like make person they plan evil against anybody. I don't want make person they plan lie against anybody. I like truth. When you are doing something, do something that you know is truth. Don't do anything where be saying a lie. So why I can't come talk this thing today? I can't talk this thing. Make Ojon Lovett for waiting talking about that girl. Now lie. Me, I know say it lie. And because I know the girl, he said, but and the people where he plan with, where he collaborate with, they all lie. One thing about me, if I dey do something, I dey like, make I dey see light on it. I don't like make person, they lie, they put light for person head. Person no get 7 children, 7 papa. You say you na 7 children. And this girl na girl wey be say, I don't dey shout with, they talk with, even when they come for green, marriage, just, I know everything. Okay, I see no reason why Ojon Lovett will just come out to plan lie against her. Automatically, it's lie. But I will come out with the details of Ojon Lovett on how it take to one. Collins Osage, are you going to tell me what to do? So, Collins Osage. Collins Osage, you are not the one to tell me I am a father. I know what I'm supposed to do, what they want. It has been given by the mom. So what is your problem? These are the Otatapo people where all wife they beat for his ass. See as he be. Or the lover say you call you Alaluwe. Call this society Alaluwe. Now you tell me, did I tell you I'm not doing it? Are you telling me what to do? Now you born her? Chencho me we chowe children for everywhere. Don't come here, come they talk. Una born full everywhere. You say one give advice, say one write that kind of thing. Waka. Are you going to tell me what to do when I'm taking good care of my kids? You going to tell me what to do? Abi, mama never give her. So, John Lovett, this advice is for you. We'll move, wait, lie. I don't want that lie. So, we'll move that lie. If not, I will disguagua you. Hello, I want nobody call, put now, when the second come and now blast, now come up for John Lovett. Hello, good morning. I see her now, I don't put up on speaker. So I don't want to come out for her now. I don't give her, if I go do what I tell her. Because I call her. I'll come out 1 hour late, 1 hour's time. I looked at her, come out 1 hour's time for her now. 12 dollars now to come out for her. Listen, I made the guess, man. I know everything. I know everything about that. I know the truth about that one. Okay. This not fair. I just pass out to John Lovett. May talk truth. I may remove the picture for the lie. See, okay? And so I will be at 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock I will be at. Because I said advice to John Lovett to deviate. And I will be at when I'm out on my YouTube channel live. 12 o'clock today I'm at for John Lovett on for the evil way plan where they destroy the name of this guy. 12 when I say 12 p.m. 12 new dot. I'll be out on my YouTube channel. We are the Talk Show YouTube TV. We are the Talk Show TV. I will be at 12 new. See, and I never take my bath because I dey call her, I respect her. You know, if I call her, no pick. I call the private number where una not get because me with her too close. I get private number where secret day. As I call the secret number. He see her, he go give me picking. If he pick her, he see send on my voice. He dey give he begin the pick her. For that simple reason, that is why I came out. Many people know say I fair call her. Now many people know say I fair call her to give her advice for John Lovett to change from that atrocity. I respect her and I call her first of all, but he refused to obey to stick to the respect I gave her. So that is why I came out. So by 12 minutes, I'm coming out for John Lovett and he get to speak on the reason why John Lovett decided to lie against her. Why John Lovett decided to form allegation. Waiting the girl John Lovett give her. Waiting plan with her to do. When the girl not do. When make John Lovett do her. Yeah, Kokobiri Master go come out on that aspect. Then when John Lovett, the girl don't hear if he do any blast her. Do any blast her. Because anything when they bring come up on Facebook now, don't bring all of them come out before. Even when she for Gyobo talk, everything, the man with my everything. You know, say Kokobiri Master is a man where they always document things. So, John Lovett, my advice to you is to immediately go and tell the people that you lied against her. And we know women that have been vandalized by Kokobiri. We know women we know women when me Kokobiri get their mekus. So you careful. This is number one advice to you. Because I called you, you refused to pick. That is why I pass this information. Take it. I want 12 new. I will be out for John Lovett. Take a see you or ciao. But 12 o'clock to 12 o'clock. It's just 1 hour, 30 minutes time will be out. Later, ciao to everybody.